Ku yi muna subscribe sannan ku danna alamar ƙarawa domin samun sabbin shirye-shiryenmu.
The 21st century is the advanced technology that CCTV cameras performs innumerable functions, and it is fast replacing the physical presence of security personnel in the school. CCTV technology will not sleep, but physical security personnel will sleep. CCTV technology is used to monitor and track all activities of the schools. The school is a busy environment that is of full activities, open activities from dawn to dusk. CCTV camera performs innumerable functions to track all activities of the schools. Physical security personnel cannot take care of these activities. They cannot take care of the class, toilet, laboratory, cafeteria, etc. But CCTV camera do this. CCTV to maintain records. Ladies and gentlemen, CCTV cameras, when it comes to keep a record, is somewhere capable compared to CCTV cameras. This is because he is not electronically powered to perform that action. In conclusion, Mr. Chairman, sir, I hope I have been able to convince you, not confuse you, that CCTV camera will be the end of crime in school, home environment, and even in the work environment. Thank you for listening.
Thank you very much.
Good day to you all. My name is Aisha Love Usman from Ikhlas Global School. In addition to what my first speaker said, physical presence of security provides protection of personnel, hardware, software, and data from physical action that could cause serious damage or loss to an institution, enterprise, or school. And physical security provides small security, medium security, and high level of security. And it is easy to take action than CCTV in school. And physical security is necessary to support the academic success of each child, giving them the opportunity to learn in safety environment. And physical security provides protection of school buildings, laboratories, schoolrooms, and school buses. With this viewpoint of mine, I have been able to persuade you, but not to mystify you, that CCTV do not reflect the presence of physical security personnel in the school. Thank you.
Thank you.